Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are going to present about the system evaluation case. My name is Nur Aziza Aminah binti Muhammad Amin. My matrix number is 1190718. So this is our group members, which is Hamizatul Auni binti Abu Bakar, Nurul Fazlayani binti Mat Jidin, and Siti Nur Amalia binti Abdul Razak. For question 1, what options for a development strategy does College Islam Nilai have for developing a new system? Provide a brief explanation of specific alternatives that should be considered if development continues, including in-house development and other strategies that will be a good fit. Justify your suggestions by analyzing the advantages and disadvantages of the chosen methods. College Islam Nilai should consider in-house strategies for developing a new system. Simply put, in-house development is the process of creating software with internal experts in running a new project. The team will complete each process with no outside assistance being used while minimizing changes in business procedures and policies. It also requires a suitable recruitment and assembles a skilled team in using this strategy without having engineers or other specialists on board. Furthermore, it will be easier to observe the progress and monitor the implementation of the work by having full control of each team member. Eventually, it will develop strong internal resources and capabilities which satisfy unique business requirements. Furthermore, in-house strategies has another option that is available where the software package can also be purchased. By purchasing the package, it will require less time to implement the project. It is proven in its reliability, usefulness, and the quality of its performance. In addition, the package allows the department to make any enhancement or upgrading that suits the need of the system. It is also more convenient in using the package where it only requires less technical development staff. However, there are several disadvantages of using in-house development where in order to use the design and development expertise, which is in high demand, the department must compete with other competitors. The need for software design and development talents is considerable across business and region. Therefore, there might be fierce competition in this industry. In addition, the pay and benefits to use the system must be enough to recruit high caliber professionals. The department needs to track down experts with the necessary skill sets. It will be very time consuming on the hiring process, especially to publish a job offer and hold numerous interviews. A lot of money will be spent on meetings, goal setting, training, and much more.
Next question 2. What financial analysis tools are available to calculate total cost of ownership for the system? What are the advantages and possible disadvantages of each tool? The answer, financial analysis tools that are available to calculate total cost of ownership for the system are payback analysis, return on investment ROI, net present value NPV, and cost benefit analysis. Payback analysis is used to predict how long it will take an information system to pay for itself through lower costs and higher benefits. The advantage of payback analysis is helps to evaluate the reliability of the project. Next, return on investment is a percentage that rate compares to the total net benefit, which is the return received from a project, to the total cost of investment of the project. The advantage of ROI is it is a simple metric to compute and comprehend. Next, net present value, the difference between the total value of the benefits and the total value of the cost, with the associated benefits and costs being adjusted to match the period during which they occur. The advantage is it does take into account the time value of money. Lastly, cost-benefit analysis consists of revenue earned or cost saved as the outcome of the decision to pursue a project. The advantage is it offers better support for long-term goals.
Next, for question 3, develop a cost-benefit analysis using payback analysis, ROI, and present value. Assume a discount rate of 6%. Here is the calculation of the cost or benefit and financial impact for the options given in the questions. For cost-benefit analysis, we can say that both options, which are in-house development and purchase vertical software, have their own costs and benefit. The total cost for Plan B are quite higher compared to Plan A, while the total benefits for both options are the same. Next, for the payback analysis, we can say that option A, which is in-house development, is better because the time taken for the investment to pay for itself for option A is much shorter compared to Plan B. Next, based on the data return on investment, it can be stated that the return on investment for Plan A, which is in-house development, has a higher return, which is 233% compared to Plan B, purchasing vertical software, that only give return for 194%. And lastly, for the net present value analysis, we can say that the net present value for Plan A in-house development is much higher, which is 76 ringgit 892 compared to net present value for Plan B purchase vertical software, which is only 72 ringgit 140.
Next, for the last question, which is question 4, based on financial and non-financial indicators, recommend the best option to pursue. College Islam Nilai has two options for developing a new system through the development strategy, which is in-house development or purchase vertical software. In order to know which options are most better, first, we need to calculate the total cost of ownership for the system using the financial analysis tools that are available, and our group has decided to develop a cost-benefit analysis using payback analysis, ROI, and present value that can help to determine which option will be selected. As for us, the best option to pursue is in-house development. We will see through each of the financial indicators that we have, such as payback analysis, return on investment, and present value. Financial indicators can focus on the company's past, present, or future development. You can see clearly from question 3 the calculations for each tool and the difference between these two options. Firstly, payback analysis will help to determine how long it takes the information system to pay for itself. Based on the calculation, in-house development has a shorter payback period, which is only 5 years, and the cumulative cost is lower from purchase vertical software, which is only 19,600 in the first year compared to purchase vertical software, which is 21,900. Purchasing vertical software also has a payback period for 5 years, but all the cumulative costs are higher than in-house development. Next, based on return on investment, we will choose the option with higher ROI. By comparing the overall net benefits, which is the return from a project, to its total cost, which is the investment, ROI is a percentage rate that measure profitability. In-house development options will generate more profitability because of the higher return on investment we get from that, which is 233%, while purchasing vertical software can get the return on investment of only 194%. Compared to payback analysis, return on investment analysis takes into cost and benefit over a longer time period. Last tool to be analyzed is present value analysis, or NPV. Present value analysis means a 1 ringgit you have today is worth more than and 1 ringgit you will not get until 1 year from now. In-house development option will be the most favorable as the NPV is total 76,892 for 5 years, which is higher compared to purchase vertical software for only 72,140 ringgit. From all the analysis from each tools, we can show that in-house development will be the best development strategy for College Islam Nilai for developing a new system. That's all from us. Thank you.